The socket set comes in a durable hard plastic carrying case and has many features which are typically Tang. It has a retractable handle for comfort and durability and hard wearing hinges with metal pins in them for extended life. It also comes with a secure locking system with a click lock mechanism so you know your set is properly closed. The underside has also been fitted with rubber feet to stop the case from sliding and also to prevent it from getting any scratches. The first thing you notice when you open up the set is that all the tools have been displayed in a clear and simple manner. This makes it quick for selecting the tool you're looking for. It also means that if you do happen to misplace one of those tools, you know exactly which one it is. So what do you get when you open up the set? Well, for starters, there are 16 12-point regular sockets. Now these range in size from 10mm all up until 19mm, 21, 22 and 24mm, and you'll also get 27, 30 and 32mm as well. All the sockets in the set contain the hip grip design for driving on a flat surface. Now this makes it easier for using them on worn fastenings and also protects them against damage. The set also comes with a 2.5 inch extension bar and a 6 inch extension bar, as well as a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch adapter. The set also comes with a universal joint for reaching hard to access fastenings. Last but not least, the set also comes with a fibre reinforced reversible ratchet. The ratchet is flip reversed and has a quick release with a 45 tooth mechanism with a high torque facility. The ratchet also comes equipped with a bi-material handle. This means that not only is it one of the most comfortable ratchets to use in the market, but if you happen to spill any oil on it while you're using it, it's not going to slip out of your grip. As with the entire Tang Tools range, the T1221 comes with an everlasting power guarantee. This means that Tang Tools will exchange or repair the item should it ever fail or break under normal working conditions due to faulty workmanship or material.
For easy, exceptional cutting performance, the Knipex Mini Bolt Cutter is the best small handheld cutter available. Its lever-action design applies 20 times more hand force for superior cutting power with less effort. From steel nails and bolts to screws and hard wire, the Knipex Mini Bolt Cutter cuts through more than you ever thought possible, up to a 1/4 inch diameter thickness with ease. This lightweight 8-inch hand cutter features precision-matched cutting edges for cutting soft or hard steel. Forged from oil-hardened chrome vanadium electric steel, the Knipex Mini Bolt Cutter is built to last. It's available in a variety of styles. A jaw notch recess is available for improving leverage and maximizing power when cutting thicker materials. The Mini Bolt Cutter with angled cutting head cuts steel to a near flush finish and increases hand clearance to avoid scraping knuckles. Spring-assisted handles open automatically for increased speed and easy use in repetitive cutting situations. The Knipex Mini Bolt Cutter's 2-component comfort handle option is ergonomically designed to minimize hand stress and increase the tool's flexibility.
You can paint smarter and faster with the new Flexio 590 by Wagner, featuring iSpray technology and the X-Boost turbine that gives you the power to paint, anywhere. Introducing the Flexio 590 from Wagner. The Flexio 590 is the most complete sprayer kit that gives you the power and flexibility to tackle any painting project indoors and out. The Flexio sprayers feature 2 exclusive and patented technologies that help provide the power to spray any paint, anywhere. The X-Boost turbine and the iSpray nozzle combine to deliver unmatched coverage and a professional finish on broad surfaces. The Flexio 590 also comes with the detail finish nozzle for small projects and fine finishing. The X-Boost turbine delivers adjustable control with a variable power setting for all your project needs. The turbine generates 3 times more power for full coverage and a professional finish. The iSpray nozzle has the ability to spray any residential coating, even on thin latex. It's great for broad surfaces and fast coverage. Plus, you can easily adjust the flow rate and the spray pattern.
Fasten RV leveling blocks from Camco. The only leveling blocks with an incorporated handle, making it easy to carry, keep, and store your leveling blocks. The handle holds the leveling blocks together by screwing into the base block. Using them is easy. Simply raise the telescoping handle and unscrew it from the base. Stack the interlocking blocks to the desired height and drive up on them. The fastened leveling blocks are durable, lightweight, and UV stabilized to help prevent them from sun damage. They come in packs of 10 and are available in two sizes, 8.5 inches square and 8.5 inches by 17 inches for dual tires. Both sizes come in yellow for high visibility and brown to blend in with the environment. Camco's Fasten RV leveling blocks. Get yours today.
Introducing Milwaukee 10-in-1 multi-bit standard and ratcheting screwdrivers. The Milwaukee 10-in-1 is best in class and has the most innovative features of any screwdriver today, including an extended reach, just like you would find on any open stock screwdriver. Something really innovative is that you can use the bit you already have loaded to pop out the next bit, saving you time and money on the job site. Power tool compatibility allows you to remove the bits from the screwdriver and insert it into any drill. The bit assortment covers most common driving applications, and the bits are chrome plated with marine grade rust protection for longer life. This also includes a wire stripper, loop maker, and 1/4 inch nut driver, plus a ratcheting version as well. Milwaukee 10-in-1 standard and ratcheting screwdrivers are available online and in all Home Depot stores.
Husky features two unique lines of tool bags that are perfect for the professional and the homeowner. The all-black 1680 Denier Pro Grade tool bag line is the highest quality fabric on today's tool bag market. The 600 Denier Red tool bag line is a perfect choice for any do-it-yourselfer or homeowner. Look for innovative features like padded hand grips, reinforced pockets, patented non-twisting D-rings, and Bartec stitching for extra fabric reinforcement. Husky tool bags are the unparalleled choice when it comes to sustainability and craftsmanship. These professional-grade Husky tool bags are ideal for even the toughest jobs. Be sure to look for some of Husky's distinct patented features, like skid plates to protect telescoping handles, tool walls to organize hand tools for fast tool selection, and rotating handles for clear and easy access to your tool bag's interior. With tried and true testing of these products to ensure their strength and durability and optimized organizational features, extra trips to the truck will be a thing of the past. We also offer different sized parts bin organizers for simple component organization. Quality and innovation, built and designed for the pro and also great for the homeowner.